What's up, baby? It's your girl, Candrea in the Billy. How are you doing? What's good with you? Listen, happy Taco Tuesday, and today, y'all, we are doing Carnitas tacos, okay? This is my first time cooking it at home. Usually we do the street tacos, you feel me? But today we're doing it at home. Let's go. So I already fried my own yellow corn tortillas. So we got these here. So we're just gonna load this up, y'all, and get it in. What's up? I hope you went and got you some tacos on today. Please tell me you went and got some tacos. Alrighty, so we got our carnitas meat here. I just added a little bit more seasoning to it. My own little touch, you feel me? We're gonna load these up like so. And so what I'm gonna do, I got some pico. I forgot to get limes, and y'all, I don't know what I was thinking. See, I can garnish it with a little bit of cilantro or something, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try this without the pico just to see what it hitting for. Let me say a little quick prayer because your girl's hungry. Amen. All right, y'all. So we about to do this like Brutus. So mad I forgot my line. I don't know what I be thinking, y'all. So bon appetit. Happy eating. I love these shells. They're so fire. I don't know, like, but is it me or do like carnitas have a weird smell to you after you cook it? If so, can y'all give me tips on how I could make it go away? Because it seemed with me even adding my seasoning, I still low-key smell it. I don't know. I don't smell it now, but when it's in the pan, it just smells some type of way. But this show is good. Mm. 10 out of 10. Y'all, excuse me, I have no makeup on. I haven't been wearing makeup now for about a month. I'm doing a little experiment. Staying free from the lashes and the whole thing. Actually, I'm just trying to regenerate new hair on my lashes and stuff, so I haven't been wearing makeup. Happy Taco Tuesday. See all that meat? Where's my napkin? I need something to drink. That's lit. I'm gonna have to say I think tacos is really my favorite food for real. No cap. So we about to make us another one, Yodi. We're making another one, baby. I think I'm gonna eat 6 of these bad boys. Yeah. It's so yummy. This time I got to put some pico. We got to put some my spoon. Boom. Just give this a swirl. Drizzle that on in. So tell me in the comments, do y'all put cheese? What do y'all put on y'all's carnitas? Do you put cheese? Do you put just garnish and lime? This is dripping, so I gotta hold my plate. This got the drip. mm. Mm-hmm. It tastes better with the pico, y'all. Sorry for being extra. This shit is bomb. Bucket. Dripping juice everywhere, child. So tell me how y'all summer been going. I hope you've been having a fantastic fun summer and a safe one. What y'all been doing all summer? Leave it in the comments. I'm in love with these, y'all. Go get y'all some tacos. Not now, but right now. You heard? Go now. Girl, I'm about to sign off and finish grubbing. Till next time. Love, and peace. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.